Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Chrome is installed. This saves time. Open the Start menu or press the Windows key and type Chrome because search scans installed apps immediately. On a Mac, press CMD plus space and type Chrome into Spotlight. This finds the app name and path. Also glance at your taskbar or desktop icons. Many people pin Chrome there for quick access. Once you see the icon, you'll know whether to launch, pin, or troubleshoot further, depending on what appears. You now look deeper if search didn't show Chrome. Open File Explorer on Windows and navigate to C/Program Files or C/Program Files x86 and check for Google/Chrome. This reveals the executable path. On Mac OS, open Finder and visit the Applications folder. Chrome appears as Google Chrome. App. Use Control Panel right arrow programs to verify installation, or use Finder's Get Info to see version. Once done, note the install path. You finish by making Chrome easy to open and reliable. Right-click the app and pin to Taskbar or Dock, and set Chrome as your default browser in settings so links open there automatically. If Chrome won't start, run the latest installer to repair or update it, because that fixes corrupted files. If it's missing entirely, check your antivirus quarantine, and, if needed, reinstall while in safe mode to avoid interference. That single troubleshooting tip, check quarantine, solves many silent removals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.